Good morning, children. Welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we shall discuss key for assignment 13, which is based on grammar reported speech. We are given 5 sentences in direct speech. We are told to transform those to indirect speech. So let us solve that. The first sentence is, the teacher said to the boys, "Have you done your homework?" The given sentence is a question. So when we have a question in direct speech, we change it to indirect speech depending upon whether the given question is yes or no type of question or WH question. So before you transform a sentence from direct to indirect speech, read the question carefully. Read the sentence and decide whether the given question is yes or no type or WH type. So have you done your homework? It is yes or no type of question. So if we have yes or no type of question in direct speech, we make use of if or whether in indirect speech. And the other changes are the same. We change the verb in the present to past and all verbs in past tense to past perfect tense. But one thing we should remember when we change an interrogative sentence from direct to indirect speech is the order of subject and verb. In a question, we get verb first before the subject, but when we change that to indirect speech, we need to change the order of verb and subject. We should write subject first and then the verb, changing the verb accordingly as present with past or past to past perfect. So let us change that. The teacher said to the boys, "Have you done your homework?" So this is a question, so we change the reporting verb to asked. It is a question, we ask a question. The teacher asked the boys. I told you if it is yes or no type of question, we make use of if or whether. So we made use of if here. Now, have you. Have is verb and you is the subject. We change the order of the subject. Now, I should use you. But you here is referring to the boys, which is third person plural. So I make use of third person plural referral, that is they. Okay, and then have done is changed to had done. Okay, present perfect to past perfect. Your homework, your is referring to the boys, so it will be changed accordingly as their homework. So we made changes, appropriate changes at the pronouns. Okay, so here, your is changed to their homework. The adjective is changed. Okay, then. Entire sentence would be, the teacher asked the boys if they had done their homework. So that is the sentence in indirect speech. Now the next sentence. So this next sentence again is a question. The little girl asked the man, "Will you help me?" It's a question, yes or no type of question. So we change that as, the little girl asked the man. Because it is yes or no type of question, we make use of if or whether. Will you is changed to you will have to bring before the verb. So you is referring to the man, which is third person singular. So I make use of third person pronoun, that is he. Okay, the little girl asked the man if he will help, will change to would help her. Because me here is the little girl, so we make changes at the verb accordingly. Okay, so me is changed to her. Okay, the object is changed. Then, Janaki said, "I have been reading this book." This is an assertive sentence and the tense of the reported verb is present perfect continuous, had been reading. Okay, it is a present perfect continuous. So we change this as Janaki said, comma, we replace with conjunction that. Okay, Janaki said that. I here is referring to Janaki. So I make use of third person singular pronoun she here because Janaki is a girl. So feminine pronoun is used. Then have been reading is changed to had been reading. This book is changed to that book. Okay, so adverbs of place and time showing nearness is changed to adverb of place of time showing distance. This is changed to that. Okay, so we change it as Janaki said that she had been reading that book. Now, the fourth sentence. Mother said to her daughter, go and change your dress. This is an imperative sentence. So when we make change in terms of speech to imperative sentence, we don't change the tense as present to past and past to past perfect. We change verb by adding an infinitive to with the base form of the verb. Okay, so we change the sentence as mother told or ordered because it is an imperative sentence. We use told or ordered or requested according to whatever idea the reported clause is conveying. So go and change is taken as an order from her mother. So we can use told or ordered. Mother told or ordered her daughter to go and change her dress. Your dress is changed to her dress because it is referring to daughter. Okay, and again, go is not changed to went. We add to infinitive for imperatives, so we use to go while changing the verb from direct to indirect speech. Okay, we don't change go to went. We add infinitive to with the base form of the word go. Okay, last sentence. Susie said, I had read this book before I gave it to you. This is changed as Susie said that she had read that book before she gave it to me. Okay, so these are the changes that we made. We changed the sentences given in direct speech to indirect speech. That was today's game. Thank you, children. Have a good day.